Hey guys, I'm Kafri. This channel is about hula hooping, and today I'm going to show you something that I really like. So the ISO drop and lift, I don't know how to call it. What's the professional name again? You know, I'm not the best in the names, but I'm pretty good at tricks and explaining them. So whenever you're ready, grab your hoop and let's go with this tutorial. So we already have on this playlist the isolation, the ISO pop, and the two sides ISO pop, or the like horizontal transfer, whatever the names, okay? This one is about the ISO drop and lift, so the elevator, and all of them together are forming a part of our next tutorial, which is gonna be the ISO flower. So stay tuned for this one and subscribe to the channel to not to miss it, of course. Now let's go with our today's tutorial. So the initial position of this move will be here if I'm holding the hoop with the right hand, so it's the right bottom corner or edge of the hoop, okay? And from here what I would like to do will be to drop the hoop down, okay? So just catching it here and dropping it down using the fact that the weight is on this side. Drop it down, okay? While I'm dropping it, the hoop will enter in contact, in touch with the upper surface of my hand, of the palm of my hand, okay? And when it does so, I want to transfer this hand to the other corner, to the other side, okay? So I'm here, dropping it, and when it touches my hand, I will transfer the hand to the other side, okay? So the motion is here. I'm holding the hoop, drop, hop. Drop, hop. And again, drop, hop. Before it was pop, hop, okay? Now, when the hoop is already down here and my hand is transferred to the other side, I want to use this momentum produced by the drop and swing on my hand and lift it up by catching it on this second side, okay? So transferring my hand to the other corner and catching the hoop. So here, drop, okay, and drop, and drop. Okay, so we have the half of the motion. Now we want to make the full motion, so the drop and lift, okay? So, as you could probably see already, I'm using exactly the same moment in here to elevate the hoop, holding it by this edge, up, go to the other side, and let it drop from here. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here will be the extension of, this line, hop, this line, this line, this line. So basically what I'm doing here will be the extension of this moment when I'm catching the hoop, holding it, controlling, lifting it up and letting it drop on one side and the other, okay? So watch my hand now only and try to imagine the shape that I'm drawing with my hand. So I'm going drop down, lift up, pass to the other side. Hey, this went wrong, okay? So here, 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 here. Okay, now, same as in the previous tutorials, let's focus now on the hoop, not the shape that I'm creating, not the motion. I already know what I have to do with my hand in here. I want to focus on the hoop so that I can create as precise lift and drop in the vertical line up and down, okay? So I'm watching the hoop, maybe I have a mirror to watch, or maybe I want to record a video to watch how it goes, okay? So have fun playing with this, and I see you in the next tutorial for the ISO flower. Don't miss this one by subscribing the channel, and also to give me this super force to create this tutorial, leave me a like button or a comment if you have any other hesitation or doubts. Maybe it will be useful to the others. So let's share this knowledge and stay tuned for the next one. See you!